Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to share with you a big secret, and that secret is this: most of the students, every day student goes to school, they become less confident and they become less intelligent. Now you think that why and how is that possible? Kids go to school and they learn new things and they become more intelligent and they become more smarter, and that doesn't mean that they become less intelligent. Now I like to explain that how is that possible. I hope that you will institute that. So I want to share one incident. Before I am 14 years old. Before that, I am that kid who doesn't know that what he want to be in his future. He just think that I can't do anything. When you ask any student or any kid who's 5 or 6 years old, when you ask him that what you want to be in your future, he will answer you that I want to be a doctor, a astronaut, or a businessman in future. When someone asks me, I answer him that I want to be a professional Call of Duty player. And that's why I don't know that what I want to be in my future. So I trust on my parents, and they told me that as every typical parents, they just advise me that go to school, do exercise once every year and all. They just give me that bookish knowledge. And main thing is that there is one problem. I'm not so good in my schools. I think that science is biggest trouble for me. I can't write only 5 paragraphs when that paragraph is very important for me and it depends on my life. I can't write that. And one more thing that I think right now at this day, I think that I am only the one Asian student who can't understand maths. I really don't understand maths at this day also. But at the age of 14, that all changed. Now I'm not that hot air balloon which is flying in this space. I'm that spice jet. I'm that aeroplane which fly towards my destination only. And how that happens? That happens at one day when I got one envelope with the mail, and in that mail, that is an invitation, but not for the birthday or not for any party. That is a mail of a big competition from my city, and in that competition, that's a competition of business plan competition. And that editor explain us that if you want to participate in this competition, you have to prepare a plan, you have to build a team, and then explain your plan in front of a panel of judges. And those judges judge you from your suits, your speech, and from your business plan. Unexpectedly, in 5 months I have to do these things, and actually I do these things in only 5 months. I built a team, I made a beautiful team, strong team, same age students like me. They are also not so good in their studies, but me and my team done it, and we made a very beautiful plan and explained that in front of judges. Judges love our plan, and we are the winners of that competition. So I'm so happy for that, and there is a secret behind this. Is only one word: curiosity. I am so curious to be participant of that competition, and that's why I win that. After that, in 2 years, I participate a lot of competitions like that. Dozens and dozens competitions are there. I participate in that, and almost from them I win. I win all of them, and I love participating in that kind of competition. Not because of I like to win, but there is one secret thing behind that is I have one unrealized passion. I like those competition because they show me a passion, and that passion is creating things. I love to creating new things. Why I win that all the competitions? Because my team has one different method that every students who got participate in that, they just prepare one PPT like PowerPoint, and they just show in the on the wall, and they explain that one by one. And one different thing is there, my friends, my team done it differently. When anyone gives a task, we go to Home Depot and we prepare new things. We gather the supplies and all, and then we build it actually. And the judges got amazed that how is that possible, a bunch of teenagers can do this kind of things. They are amazed. So we all win those things. Then after we realized that one secret, one main thing which is our weapon, that is a great team. If you want to be success in any business, you have to assemble a great team for that. So together a big team, we try to develop our number of peoples in our team. So we couldn't go anywhere in bars and networking or sites for adults. So we decided that we gather all that students from our school. So when we plan for that, we don't use any networking sites for that. We just made one presentation and start that presentation in our school auditorium. First we invite all the secondary students there, and then we ask them individually that if you are interested, you can come here and you can join our team. But there is so lack of interest. They are not interested in our idea, and they just told us that we don't want to be Mark Zuckerbergs and all that. So when I asked for with my team that how is that possible, no one is interested in our team to join our team. So they told me that let's try it for elementary students. They are just 5 or 6 years younger than secondary students. So we repeat this session in the elementary school, and there is a response. That response was phenomenal. Everyone loved that, and students let go their lunch and they just ask for more information. We are so we are shocked that that students are interested in this, which can't pronounce some words of this field. So there is one thing I noticed, and that's my biggest line from my life. I learned that our education system, when they are younger students are just 5 or 6 years old, and they are curious to be in our team, and after 2 or 3 years they become a secondary student, and they stop thinking out of the box. They don't want to be anything different than everyone want to be. They just have normal things. They just think so less, and they don't want to be anything else. So there is a one choice, two choice in front of you. You want to go from that path which is narrow and made by other peoples, and there is one more thing that you can make your path. Thank you.